Hi, Pat from Jade Molds here. I'm in this very scary Chinese cemetery because I'm telling spooky Chinese fire stories. Today's story involves a European company. They had sent their Chinese buyer to visit us, and he was from Shanghai. Came, gave a factory audit, gave us a thumbs up, thought our systems were great. The word got back to the company that we were so-so and we weren't approved as a supplier. As it turns out, the company had two other people that were here in Guangdong province. When that happened, they contacted us and they came to visit, unbeknownst to their Chinese buyer. And they came, took a look at the factory, and they really didn't understand. They couldn't make sense of the report they had gotten and then what they were seeing firsthand. And then something very interesting happened. We all got an email from the buyer. And we were sitting in our QC room at the time, which has two CMMs. One is manual, one's fully automatic, hexagon. And the commentary in the email was that we had no QC capability, no CMMs, and he had one picture attached to the factory. Now every factory has maybe a corner where you put some old steel and things like that, and that was the picture he showed of our factory. A few pieces of rusted steel stuck away in the corner. He didn't show the 1,100-ton press. He didn't show the 10-ton cranes. He didn't show the robots on the presses. He didn't show our beautiful CNCs, our mirror finish EDMs. He showed one small corner of the factory. Now that was enough of a red flag for the other folks from Europe that were there at the time to realize that they might have had a problem on their hands. So if you think you might have some spooky Chinese buyer things going on in your company, give us a call. Jade's the perfect company to work with. We understand what's going on in China. We're going to give you the straight scoop every time. So we hope to hear from you. Thanks a lot. I'm out of here. It's pretty scary. Bye-bye.